everyone, I'm YVES, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. In case you're new, YVES stands for When You Get Old. Today I'm going to be unboxing the February 2024 Allure Beauty Box. This is a beauty subscription which costs $25 a month. You receive 6+ beauty products. 3 are guaranteed to be full size. The remaining products will be deluxe, sample, or travel sizes. This here is one of my favorite subscription boxes. Keep in mind it's very heavy on the skincare, although every now and again we do receive some makeup products. It does come with a pamphlet which will have pricing and information from the beauty editors at Allure. Alright, enough rambling, let's dive into the box. So the first product is this guy here, which is from AHAVA and is the Essential Day Moisturizer. So this is 75 ml. And I assume is going to be full size. Yes, it is full size, and holy cow, I was not expecting how much this retails for. $75. That really surprised me. It's nice to get 75 ml because a standard moisturizer is either 30 ml, sometimes 50 ml. But 75 ml, that's pretty darn good. All right, next item. What is this? A hockey puck? No. So this is from, I think the product is called Happy Skin and the brand is LUSH, and this is an Enzymic facial exfoliator. All right, let's take a look at what the booklet has to say. All right, so it says LUSH Happy Skin. The full price retails for $26, which is 100 grams. Let me take a look and see how many grams this bad boy is. All right, so this is 50 grams, so not full size, but half of what full size is. So that's a really good sample or travel size. So what did I say? 26. So this would retail for $13. All right, next product. Ooh, we have something from Commodity Milk, and it's the scent Space Bold. Interesting. Let's see what she looks like. Okay, yay, it's a spray. And let's take a little sample. Ooh, that really came out strong. Let's let it, what do you call that? The alcohol burn off. And interesting scent. All right, I'm the worst at describing scent, so let's see what the booklet has to say. All right, so this here is Commodity Milk Plus Bold, and it says this perfume's blend of marshmallow, tonka bean, and milk is comforting like vanilla steamer, but still manages to feel cool, nuanced, and grown up. The full size retails for $145, holy cow, for 100 ml, and we have a 5 ml sample. I would say it's nice. It's not my jam. For mentioning vanilla, I'm not picking up too much on vanilla, but I bet a lot of you would enjoy it. It's probably a warmer scent, and I tend to like a little more fruity florals. It's not bad. It's just really not my go-to scent, but I will continue wearing it to see if it grows on me. All right, next item. What do we have here? This is Tri-Balm 3-in-1. I'm already confused. What's the name of the company? FP Natural Multitasking Skincare. I'm gonna have to grab the booklet again, figure out what that product's all about. Alright, so it says that the name of the brand is FORMULAE PRESCOTT Tri-Balm, and this is a cleanser stick. It's full size, retails for $40. Holy cow. For 0.71 ounces. How much is that in milliliters? 20 grams. Alright, the picture shows that it's like a stick, like a balm stick. I'm very curious what it looks like, and actually I didn't finish reading what is it used for. Alright, so you screw it off. It is a balm. Kind of has a scent of, almost reminds me of like hair care. Let's see what you're actually supposed to use it for. Okay, so it says why you'll love it. This stick works a bit of magic, cleansing without water to refresh skin on the go. What? A trio of moisturizing botanical oils, carrot, rice bran, wheat germ, don't exactly sound sexy, but feel heavenly. Run the stick over dry skin and then rinse or wipe it away. The formula comes off easily while these oils leave you feeling soft and smooth. Huh. I'm super lazy and I love having options in my bag when I'm on the go. But the mere fact that they said you need to wash it off, that makes it no longer lazy girl approved. Because I thought, oh, that'd be cool to put in my purse. You know, rub it on, and then I figured like you grab a tissue or something. If you need water to wash, I don't know how convenient that would be. Interesting product. Oh, they did say it was full size. Interesting. All right. Not the best product I've ever received, but innovative, new, and different. The next product. Oh, shut up. I think I just saw the logo for YSL. Yes. This is from Yves Saint Laurent, and it looks like it's some kind of a lipstick. Please don't be red. It is Valentine's Day today as I'm filming. It is the February box. Ooh, but I don't care what color it is. Look how bougie, gorgeous this packaging is. I don't think I've ever owned anything by YSL. Okay. It looks like it has potential. It's in the red family, but not a super dark red. I'm going to gamble, swatch it. I probably will never use it or wear it. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I'm so glad I was brave. It is more like a very soft balm. All right, I'm going to throw this on my lips, and let's cross our fingers that it's as sheer on my lips as it was on my hand. Yay! Granted, I did plop it on top of a lip gloss I was already wearing, but I can tell. Yes. Okay. What does that retail for? YSL, I'm pretty certain it's going to be extra bougie. Okay, so this is the Yves Saint Laurent Rouge Volupté Shine Lipstick Balm. Alright, it's basically a lip balm that has some pigment. It is full size, and it retails for $43. Which honestly, it is still pricey, but not as pricey as I thought when I saw Yves Saint Laurent. For some reason, I thought it'd be like 55 plus. So would I purchase again if I love it for $43? No, no. But it isn't quite as super expensive as I originally thought. That is lovely. Okay, I'm super excited because we don't usually get makeup, and to get a really bougie brand. Now it looks like there were 4 shades. People could have gotten either nude lingerie, nude lavalier, burnt zellige, rosewood beet. What shade did I get? I'm curious now. Of course the writing is so tiny, I don't even know if they have the shade there. I don't know. Probably nude lavalier. I don't know. Does it really matter? Probably not. All right, the last item is an itty bitty teeny weeny little box. What is this? All right, first off, it's from a brand called Beauty JAZMINE, and it's a Brow Boss Brow Styling Wax. Well, so we got a second makeup product, which is really rare for Allure, but it's a product I don't ever use, and I don't think I've ever tried a brow wax. I don't really do my brows, although I need to start. But when I do, it's like a brow gel in a little kind of mascara tubey thing. Ooh, this is tiny, but a great way to try a product. I opened it up, I thought it was empty. I guess because it's a wax, it's just clear. So you'll need a spoolie, whatever. I'll give it a try. Is it super lazy girl proof? Not really. You got to get a tool. You got to open the lid. But leave me a comment and let me know if you use and like products such as this. All right, let's recap everything I got in the February 2024 Allure Beauty Box. We got the Commodity Milk Bold Perfume Sample. We got the Tri-Balm Cleansing Stick from Formula Prescott. A sample of the Brow Boss Styling Wax from Jasmine Beauty, the LUSH Happy Skin Facial Exfoliator, the Essential Day Moisturizer from AHAVA, and a lipstick balm from Yves Saint Laurent. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this is a very interesting and non-typical box from Allure, as we got 2 makeup products. This lip product from Yves Saint Laurent paid for the box. This retails for $43 and the box is $25. So if you look at it that way, this box definitely is worth it for this one product alone. I love and enjoy facial moisturizers, so I'm happy to get this in the box. The last 4 items, this cleansing stick, I will keep it in the shower and give it a try. It's probably not lazy girl approved and not my jam, but it will be interesting to give it a try. Brow wax, never tried before. This product, I do use physical exfoliators like once a week, so it will be interesting to give this product a try. I love getting perfume samples, and this one is a decent size at 5 ml versus the normal ones that you get are like 1 or 2 ml. It's just not my go-to scent. It's not horrible, it's just different than what I normally wear. So of all the Allure boxes, this one's a little However, this Yves Saint Laurent lip product makes me not be upset at all. It's like the rest, whatever. I'm totally happy that I got this lip balm. All right, now I want to hear from you. What did you think of this month's box? Let me know, do you also subscribe, or have you been thinking about subscribing? Again, for $25, I can't complain. I think this box in general is really nice, and we get really nice brands. Commodity perfume samples, AHAVA moisturizer, and hello, an Yves Saint Laurent lipstick lip balm, which I think is fantastic for $25. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.